How to remove profile from Instagram. Now if you want to remove profile from Instagram, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Let's say that you have got an Instagram account and you have a profile picture. You would like to remove that profile picture. Now you don't want to change it, but you want to completely remove it. I get what you're talking about. All you have to do is tap on your profile icon from the bottom right to come to your profile page, as you can see right here. Then from here you want to simply go to the option that says edit profile, right? So once you go to the edit profile button right there, here you can see my current profile picture. So if I want to remove my picture, I just have to tap on it. Then you'll find the option called remove current picture. So obviously all you have to do is tap on remove current picture option, and once done, that particular picture will be successfully removed and your profile picture will switch to a generic no profile picture. So I hope that this video helped you as to how you can remove your profile from Instagram. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.